Hi, it's Addie Kelzer with Urban Fitness Twin Cities, and today I have another short video for you that is all about stretching. So you can do these stretches really anytime, but what we're focusing on today is how you can get amplified effects from your stretches if you do them right before bed. The idea is that we lengthen and get in really good posture so that hopefully the whole time that you're sleeping, you're getting kind of all those feelings of lengthening and opening up rather than becoming increasingly tight as you sleep. So we're going to do them all on one side, and then I would suggest that you either restart the video or do the other side on your own and then crawl into bed and see how you feel in the morning. So go ahead and stand up and do these with me. You might want a mat underneath your knee to start. So the first one, we're going to be in a lunge position, and what I want you to do before we push the hips forward is you're going to make sure you're pulling your belly button in. That allows us to drive the hips forward without creating any kind of extension throughout the spine. And if you are tight in the hips at all, you'll probably feel this right away, and you might feel it down into the quad as well. So as always with our stretches, you can hold them for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes even. It kind of depends on how much time you have before you crawl into bed. So this is our hip flexor stretch here, and then I'm going to push back on the other leg. Actually, I'm doing a hamstring stretch. And this is one where you can rotate the leg inward or you can rotate the leg outward, and you might find a spot that's a little bit tighter than if you just do toe up. It's a good idea to add all of them into your program at some point. So there's our first two, hip flexors and hamstring stretches. Next one I'm going to do with my hand on the wall. I'm going to pull up this heel or this foot behind me, and I'm going to do a quad stretch here. So right in the front of the leg is what we're looking for. And a couple things here is try not to let that knee come out in front of you or too far out to the side. For the most part, you want that knee pulling in toward the other one so that it's directly underneath you. Again, holding for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. And then lastly, my favorite one for right before bed is a chest stretch, especially if you are a side sleeper. This is a really good one to open you up before you get on your shoulders again. So I'm going to place my hand and my elbow in contact with the wall. And then from here, I'm going to pick up my feet and move away from my hands. So my arm kind of gets wedged behind the wall right here, and it creates a really nice stretch through the arm and through the chest muscles. Make sure you're holding your abs tight on this one too, so you're not rotating too much in the torso. All right, so don't forget the other side, and then we'd love to hear if any of these exercises helped you feel more refreshed in the morning.